Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay Sunday, December 14, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, December 14, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong December 14, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, December 14, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for December 14, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, December 14, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.